Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Curry Bits. Today, let's make South Indian style stir fried cauliflower or cauliflower poriyal. In a pan of boiling water, add 1 teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Once the water comes to rolling boil, add in half of a cauliflower florets. Boil for 2 minutes and turn off the flame. Let it sit for 5 more minutes and drain all the excess water. Meanwhile, let's prep all the other ingredients. We need 1 onion, one and a half dry red chili, 4 cloves of garlic, and some curry leaves. Finely chop all the above ingredients. I have removed seeds from the chilies as I don't prefer spice that much. Now, heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and the finely chopped garlic. Once the mustard seeds begin to crackle, add in the dry red chilies and curry leaves. Saute this for 10 seconds. Now add in the onions and saute till the onions changes color. Now season this with salt. I have added about quarter teaspoons of salt as we have already boiled the cauliflowers with salt. Now add in the drained cauliflower florets. Now saute this for 10 minutes or till the cauliflower florets are cooked well. It's been around 10 minutes and the cauliflower florets are cooked well. Now to this add in 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Turn off the flame and mix everything till they are well combined. Our cauliflower poriyal is now ready. It can be paired up as a side for lunch or dinner. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Thank you for watching.